So once you have reached the events page, you can click the modify event button and you reach the events details page. There you can see the event ID and passcode. This is important because this has to be sent. This event ID and passcode has to be sent to the recipients whom you would like to issue the certificates, so that they will join your event using this event ID and passcode. Here the other details are also there. You will see like logo. You can upload up to 3 logos, 3 signatures, and 3 names and designations, which will make the main structure of your certificates that you are going to issue. So let's see, I will try to upload one logo. I will try to upload maybe a logo. Yeah, this logo 1 is uploaded. Then we will try to click the preview button and see what's happening. So some dummy text and dummy QR code I have given, that is given automatically by the system, and your logo appears there. Now we'll see how we'll add maybe second logo and third logo also. My screen recorder is not recording the logo updation process. So yeah, now once you click the preview button, you can see 3 logos have been updated. And yeah, we will try to upload or we will try to remove some logos. Maybe if you have only one logo, you can remove the first and third logo by clicking the remove button, and then we will go and see the preview how it looks like. Yes, the middle logo is only available. Now let us upload 3 signatures. We will upload signature 1, signature 2, and signature 3. Yeah, the problem is that my signature size is about 256 into 256 pixel, so it will not allow that. So I will go and reduce the size of the images. All the image sizes have been mentioned. Now I have changed the size of the signatures. If you want to create your own digital signatures, you can go to, there are tools which are available which will allow you to create these signatures for free. I will keep the link of some of the applications in the description. So I have uploaded 3 logos. Now third logo is also getting updated. These logos and signatures can be updated by just a click. You need not save them, it will be directly be uploaded. But if you are editing the text, then you have to click the save button. Now let's see the preview. Yeah, 3 logos and 3 signatures have come up. The QR code and the other whatever is written, they are as for the viewing purposes. They will be removed once we start issuing the regular certificates. Now I will update the name and designation of the people. We can update up to 3 names and 3 designations. I will give some names like Anand as a director, maybe Deepak as developer, and Ranjit as a tester. So what you can see is there is a lot of flexibility that we have given. If you want, you can add all permutations and combinations. If you want 2 logos, you can keep first and third logo, so that left side and right side of the certificate there will be a logo each. So you can design the certificate as per your requirement. So we will see now. Yeah, as I said, since we have edited a text, we will click the save button so that it will be saved in the DB or database. Now yes, the signatures and the designations are updated. 3 logos are also updated. As I have mentioned, I have made a small mistake knowingly, so that I will let you know how to edit if you have made a mistake while creating an event. You can go to the modify page where you can just change the name. Yeah, I am changing it to organization, and then I am saving the event. You can just click save button and it will be saved. the details will be saved in the application.